Meaning of inessential.
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 Inessential. The word inessential refers to something that is not absolutely necessary or essential. It implies that the thing in question is less important or relevant compared to other things that are essential or crucial. Inessential things may include luxuries, non-essential features, or aspects of a situation that can be overlooked without significant impact. The term can also be used to describe something that is simply unnecessary or excessive. Overall, the concept of inessential highlights the idea that certain things are discretionary, while others are indispensable.